Good morning. Just finished upgrading the batteries in the caravan from two 100 ampere lithium batteries to two 170s. The batteries are from Aussie Batteries and Solar. We're not sponsored by them, but just to give you the heads up where we got them from. The advantages of lithium batteries is you can draw them down to 20%, and these 170 ampere lithium batteries are 14.5 kilos compared to the AGM batteries, which is 30 kilos, and you can only draw them down to 50%, and they take too long to recharge you back up to 100. Just remember, when you buy your lithium batteries, that they are at 20%. When you go to install them, isolate your system in your caravan, your boat, or your four-wheel drive. Install them and then plug them into 240. They shouldn't take too long to get back up to 100%. Make sure that you write the dates of when you installed them on there, so that when you go, if something ever happens with your warranty, you know when you purchased them. These are just an overview of the layout that we have in our caravan. People are wondering about this device here. That is a shunt for our outdoor solar that we got on the ground. Fuses, make sure that you put them in there. Fuses from the caravan. Fuses. And make sure that everything's labeled. The batteries of when you purchased them. For more of these videos, please like McKean Adventures on Facebook. Please subscribe to McKean Adventures on YouTube for more videos. Please follow McKean Adventures on Instagram. And please visit www.mckeanadventures.com.au. And that is the upgrade from two 100 ampere lithium batteries to 170 ampere lithium batteries. Thank you. Have a good day.